A manufacturing engineer designs and manages the systems used to create a product. These include the manufacturing process, the raw materials, and finding and operating the machines needed to create the product. Manufacturing engineers often work in factories with large equipment able to weld, cut, melt, 3D print, or cast different things. Hey, I'm Era, and I'm a manufacturing engineer. I've always enjoyed making things, wooden planes, little houses, or go-karts, and I have always wondered how the products we use every day are made and produced for so many people. Humans have been making things with tools and machines for thousands of years. There was a major shift in manufacturing a few hundred years ago. Powered machines were introduced to produce items on a large scale. This was called the Industrial Revolution. The invention of steam engines allowed large machines to be mechanically powered, making them faster and able to produce things like textiles and cast metals quicker and cheaper. Although the first manufacturing machines helped to make products faster and save money for the owners, they were very dangerous to use, resulting in many people being injured or even killed. Today, manufacturing equipment is much safer to use. Manufacturing engineers ensure that production lines are not only fast, energy efficient, and minimize environmental impacts, but they also must be safe. Nearly everything we use today has been produced by a machine or a robot, from the clothes we wear to the cars we drive. Look around you, in the classroom or at home. You can probably see a pen or two. Pens are an everyday item, used by billions of people each day, and they go missing a lot too. So they need to be made quickly and cheaply. Have you ever thought about how they are made? Pens are not as simple as they might seem. Different materials are used when making a pen, like plastic, metal, and ink. These materials are mixed, shaped, put together, and tested by different machines and people in the process. Each stage plays a vital role in making a quality final product. Manufacturing has changed a lot since the Industrial Revolution, and it is still evolving thanks to manufacturing engineers. Today, 3D printers are being developed that can print plastic toys, replacement parts for cars and planes, joint replacements, artificial bones, and even food. Robots are also being used more in manufacturing, helping workers do their job faster and safer. The automotive industry uses robots to assist with many tasks like assembling, painting, pouring hazardous materials, and welding. They are also used for tasks that need extreme precision. Our world is getting more advanced and complex. As we manufacture more products, manufacturing engineers need to ensure we are not wasting resources and are always looking for ways to recycle or reuse materials. Dr. Carmen Hidrosa is the founder of a company that uses pineapple leaves to make leather. The leaves are a waste product from the existing pineapple industry. Dr. Carmen and her team developed a manufacturing process that creates a natural, sustainably sourced, and cruelty-free material. Finding ways to reuse material like this will help protect the environment and allow engineers to do more with our current resources. There are many people, machines, robots, and vehicles involved in the manufacturing industry. They perform all sorts of tasks, from collecting materials and making them into useful products to delivering them to your homes and businesses. Manufacturing companies like Tesla, BHP, Boral, and Coca-Cola employ engineers working in many areas of their manufacturing processes. Lydia Gentle is a great example. She has worked in engineering for more than 15 years across multiple industries and was awarded a Medal of the Order of Australia for her passion and drive promoting the work of engineers around the world. Without manufacturing engineers designing and creating efficient and safe processes, many of the things we use every day would not exist. If you want to create products and services for the future, then you should consider a career in manufacturing engineering.